with a CDO Negociante package worth 25,000 pesos. Pero kailangan mo umakyat ng stage, mga kaibigan. Just surprise, Go Negociantes, it's a stepping stone to success. The package includes a freezer, marketing materials, and a selection of CDO's most loved products such as Fantastic Tocino, Ulam Burger, Idol Cheese Dog, Carne Norte, Dave's Cheese, and San Marino Pork Tuna, everything needed to kickstart a negosyo. Now, it's time for the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's welcome our representatives from CDO, Foodsphere, and Go Negosyo to help us show the name of our lucky winner. Hi, sir. Hi, ma'am. And the winner. Sino gusto po manalo, mag-iyan?